In our last video, we talked in detail about the transition property of CSS. Now we will discuss some more in detail about the CSS transition. So you can see this code. We have added some more divs to this section. We have 3 divs and 1 separate div inside the body. Okay, so if you see, we have these 3 divs, but no transition is applied, and we have this div inside the body, and the properties are set for this. And also when the mouse hover, you can see converted to circle with a specified border radius, and color become green with some transition timing. Okay, so this was discussed in the previous already, that we can apply transition property to background color as well as border radius. So here background color will take 3 seconds to be converted to green, and soon when the mouse hover, the border radius will be set to 50%, which means it is converted to circle. Let's see, soon it convert to circle, but the color takes 3 seconds. So what about if we want to set the color for both margin and then the background color? So suppose if we want to write border radius time should be, we write border radius, okay, and write the time to be 2 seconds. Now color will take 3 seconds and radius will take 2 seconds. Now you can see radius will take 2 seconds and color 3 seconds. Okay, so 1 second delay in the color. So let's come to apply some more property to the divs. So you can see these all divs are inside the section. So we write section and div. So why we write section before div? So div is also here. This one is also div. So we write section div and set background color red, height. Suppose we increase the height to be 100, and we write, and then we have margin, top margin of 20, like 30, and then right of 0. Okay, so you can see now we have these 3 with left margin of 0. Okay, so if we want to increase more, it's left, so you write, for example, 0, and then you write 10 pixel. So you can do it. Okay, now we apply the transition property to this, but for that we must have to hover the mouse. So we will write here div, sorry, section. We want to have a section hover. Okay, so we will write section hovers, and then we will set the margin left to be 500 pixel. Okay, so when the mouse hover, it will goes to the 500 pixel. The margin left will goes to the 500 pixel. You can see. Okay, so all the okay. So there is no transition. Okay, this was some problem here. That's why. Okay, now apply some transition, like we apply transition of 3 seconds for this hour. but you can see it is not applied. Why? Why it is not applied? Because these are the dues. So we section may be moved, but we have not colored the section. You can see we have not colored the section. We have colored the dues. So we have to write here apply for the due. Now you can see, oh, good. It's so amazing. Okay. So this was all about hovering the dues, and let's talk about the timing function. So timing function, if you search on Wikipedia, timing function CSS MDF. So you can see the transition timing function sets how intermediate values are calculated for CSS property. Remember that the time will be the time to reach, the time of duration will be fixed, but the style through which it goes will be different. For example, if we set it's linear and we set, you can see, so linearly it goes in the fixed time. So it is, if we make is in, so this is another, this is in step. Okay, so this is another important interesting. So you can see a lot of transition functions, timing functions are given. So in next video we will talk more in detail and we will practice it. So stay with us. Thank you so much.